It's been almost 4 days now ever since the flash floods that ravaged the Dharali village in Uttarkashi in Uttarakhand. Rescue operations have now entered in a critical phase. More than 300 people till now have been evacuated, and our brave rescue team, the security forces, including the Indian Army, that have now been using sniffer dogs as well. They are using drones and ground-penetrating radar to search for possible survivors and to detect bodies who could be possibly buried under the huge mound of debris. Officials have confirmed so far 5 deaths have been announced. Communication lines which remained shut for 4 days have finally been restored, and raising the hope that relief and rescue operation could now pick up pace as the weather also seems to be improving.
In the pictures, you can see that how through the JCB machines, the construction of the Belly Bridge is underway over here in Gangnani. That shows that how 24 hours non-stop our forces, our rescue operation team is over here so that they can build the bridge. But again, we'll also like to show you the visuals over here that when we talk about the tough weather, also show that how in fact this entire area is covered with a white blanket of fog, and that is what in fact makes it more challenging, you know, so that you do not have any idea that what comes next to you, say it be the landslide, say it be the mudslide, or say it be something else as well. As far as the weather condition is concerned, then the IMD has already issued a red alert in several areas. Even this bridge is constructed, the next challenge would be the, again, the other bridges that are washed away, the roads that are washed away, and also in fact the you can also see the rise in the water level of the Khyr Ganga river. That is obviously above the danger mark. If we talk about the number of people rescued, then more than 300 people are already evacuated from several areas. They have also been taken to the state hospital, in several other hospitals as well. But now the biggest challenge over is to construct the road amidst this extreme and adverse weather condition.
Of course, this is nature's fury. Nobody can control that. But even as the state, the Uttarakhand Devbhoomi seems to be battling nature's fury. A brazen, insensitive remark that has now come in from a Samajwadi Party leader, S.T. Hassan, who has called the Uttarkashi tragedy as an act of God, claiming that it was God's way of delivering justice after a particular faith was insulted. 5 people till now have been confirmed dead in these flash floods, yet when it comes to the Samajwadi Party leader's comments, have injected a communal agenda into human tragedy. Can you believe this? Listen into what he said first.
ये आपदाएं क्यों आ रही हैं आखिर? तभी हमें इस बात पे विचार करना चाहिए. हमने जंगलों के साथ बड़ी नाइंसाफी करी, जंगलों को कटान और तमाम चीजें हो रही हैं, और दूसरी उत्तराखंड में और हिमाचल प्रदेश में दूसरे के मजहब का कोई सम्मान नहीं हो रहा. और मैं तो कहता हूं कि किसी भी धार्मिक स्थल के ऊपर, चाहे वो दरगाह हो, मस्जिद हो या मंदिर हो, बुलडोजर नहीं चलना चाहिए. भले से आप खाली करा लें. इस दुनिया को चलाने वाला कोई और है, और जब उसका इंसाफ होता है तो फिर वो आदमी कहीं से भी अपने को नहीं बचा पाता.
Well, unfortunate comment coming in from the Samajwadi Party leader. We'll get you that. More reactions coming up back after a short break. You're watching Times Now. We will be back on the other side with the morning show.